In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to buy 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to end and see how to get it done step by step tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to shop on 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app. So the very first one we are going to take into consideration is 1688 app. So I'm going to click on my 1688 app right here. Alright, so having get to your 1688 app, next thing you want to do is to add an item to cart. So if you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how you can add an item to cart. So after you have successfully added an item to cart in your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. Then it's going to load up like this. So all the item you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to select each of these items right here I'm going to purchase on 1688. So I'm going to buy this one right here. Then I will scroll down, I will select this. I will scroll down and select this. I will scroll down and select this. Then I will select this. Then I will select this. I will scroll down and select this. So after selecting all the items I'm going to purchase on 1688, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout right here. So right here, you can scroll down and check all the preview of the item you have selected so far. So right now, I'm going to click, I'm paying the sum of 100 yuan to purchase all these items. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to click on checkout. So you can see I'm paying the sum of 100.28 yuan to purchase all the items, and my Alipay has been active. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button right here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue button right here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So you can see we have purchased from different 7th supplier at a sum of 128 yuan to purchase all the items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile right here, all the items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see all the items right here that we just purchased on 1688 without using agent. So let's check out on how you can purchase on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial without using agent. So let's begin. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Pinduoduo app right here. On getting to a Pinduoduo app, first thing first, you have to search for an item. So for you to search for an item, you can use type search right here. Type in the keyword of the item you want to purchase, and then you're going to see a lot of results. Or better still, upload the picture by using this camera icon. Upload the picture and an item that you want to purchase, then you're going to see a variety result of the item. Then from there, you can select on anyone you want to purchase and add the item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. Then it takes you to your profile. So next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. Then it takes you right here. So the product I'm going to purchase from this cart right here, I'm going to purchase this one right here. So I'm going to select on that. So I'm paying the sum of 16 yuan to purchase the item, 16.04 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check out. Then the product is going to open up this page. So at this point here, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to the payment. And at this point here, I click on confirm, then enter my payment password. So it's as simple as that. Then I'm going to click on done. So you can see we have successfully purchased these items right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the bump up. Then I'll go back to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out right here. So you can see the two items right here waiting for shipment from the supplier. So this is how to purchase from 1688 and Pinduoduo shopping app and ship from China to whatever country of your choice without using agent. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video, you should give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.